Now we will begin with the book release ceremony. I will invite the editors and co-editors on this stage. You will have a group photograph with our distinguished guests. Ma'am, you stay here. So I request you to be here on the stage for the book release. We take a group photograph, and while we are taking the group photograph, I will also ask the contributors to join afterwards. So then we'll have a bigger group photograph, and then smoothly we proceed with every book release, right? So we will unveil the book Law, Human Security and Global Governance, edited by Dr. Bobby Narayan, Section Officer at the Central Vigilance Commission, New Delhi, former Assistant Registrar at the National Company Law Tribunal, New Delhi, and Senior Fellow Honorary at IIHSG, New Delhi, India. We request Mr. Bobby and all contributors to come up on the stage. Bobby sir, please come up on the stage, and then I take the name of all the contributors. Can we please clap? Because, so please come. Sir, also, yeah, to sir, yes. Congratulations, sir, and we congratulate you for the book release. Contributors include Mr. Aman Bora, Anju Pandey, Anshuman Ankit, P.K. Maniswani, Beno Jones, Dr. Hitesh, Dr. Ladli Kumari, Dr. Muhammad Ali, Dr. Nisha Dutt, Dr. Sheila Yadav, Dr. Sindhu Karketa, Dr. Subodh Prasad Rajak, Dr. Suman Singh, Ikra Nisar, Kumari Sakhi, Niva Patra, Nidhi Lodhi, Nitesh Chaudhary, Pankaj Kumar Mishra, Priya Rani, Professor Dr. Seema Chaudhary, Sayyid Ali Fatima, Shibram Karmakar, Shivani Rai, and Varisha Parveen.
If anyone present here.
If anyone is present, kindly come up on the stage.
Alka Parikh wrote forward of the book.
Okay.
Alka Parikh ma'am wrote forward of this book.
Many congratulations, sir. Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir. So now I invite the other co-editors. Thank you, sir. Following this, we will release Human Security, The Power to Empower, edited by Dr. Divya Mishra, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, Magadh University, Bodh Gaya, Bihar. We ask the editor and the contributors to come forward for a group photograph and the launch of the book.
Take name of the concentrator.
Contributors include Akhila Chandran K, Devarati Mandal, Divyata Shriya Pal, Harshita Singh, Ipshita Chakravarti, J.K. Moni Angeles, Monica Lakhandri, Muskan Dhalwal, Naja K, Nalini Sharma, Neelam Sharma, Nini Thomas, Pradeep Kumar, Bhakabhai Regard, Pratyay Saha, Professor A. Hamid, Purbali Sen Gupta, R.K. Sanyama Singh, Richa Mittal, Satnik Chakrabarti, Sanju Dolma Lama, Sayantana Saha, Shiba Sheikh, Shri Hari Pandey, Shriya, Bodh Gaya, Suchanda Ghosh, and Tahira Anjum. Many congratulations. And if many congratulations to the editor and all the contributors. Enjoy this moment. We will now release Human Security, Gender and Sustainable Development, edited by Dr. Priyanka Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, Magad University, Bodh Gaya. We welcome the editor and all the contributors, which include Dr. Priyanka Singh, Akshati Prasad, Ananya Majumdar, Dr. Amartya Saha, Dr. G. Sheila Edward, Dr. Nasir Ahmed, Dr. Nuzhat Nazneen, Dr. Virangoni Shrisha, Elita Francis Lobo, Harsheen Kaur, Himanshi Kadyan, Jacqueline Alicia Gomes, Kalpana Singh, Lakshmi Ram Gop, Jahidur Rahman, Pragati Sharma, Pratibha Singh, Priyanka Ghatera, Prabit Kumar, Rituparna Haldas, Priya Bisht, Sushit Kuri, Sunil Kalyanao Sonavane, Syed Alia Mazhar, Tanushri A, Vijayashri Vishwanath. Please come up on the stage. Please come down. Please join for the group photograph.
बस आप अकेले काम और कोई कंट्रीब्यूटर यहाँ पे सर रोड फॉरवर्ड ऑफ दिस बुक हर्षिता अनाउंस सर रोड फॉरवर्ड ऑफ दिस
Yes, and Dr. Saroj has written the forward. So you want to say a few lines? Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Now we present Changing Perspective on Security in the 21st Century, edited by Latika Yadav, lecturer at IIS, deemed to be University Jaipur, Harshita Sharma, Assistant Professor, visiting IIS University Jaipur, and Dr. Deepsika Parasar, Assistant Professor, IIS University Jaipur. We invite the editors and the contributors to come on stage for the release. I request Nandini ma'am to please come on the stage. The list of contributors include Harshita Sharma, Dr. Deepsik Parasar, Anushka Singh, Arnab Mukherjee, Damini, Dia Jaimini Bhai Desai, Dr. Chandravanu Baras, Dr. Choke Namgya Bhutia, Dr. Gurvinder Kaur, Ipsita Chakrabarti, Ishita Tripathi, Jilike Shaha, Maheshwari, Pradeep Karmakar, Richa Tokas, Satapti Mondal, Salandra Kumar, Shalini Kumari, Sanjida Lubna, Shantanu Sharma, Shraddha Rishi, Sonakshi Sharma, Sonali D. More, Sri Lakshmi, Sukhvinder Singh, T. Kirthana Reddy, Taranjot Kaur Gill. The next release is the book Advancing Human Security, Perspective on Global Governance, edited by Professor Dr. Preeta Nilesh, Principal of the KVG Veg College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Autonomous Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. We request the editor and the contributor to join us for the official launch. Okay, she is not present here. The next we will proceed on to the release of the book Problems and Prospect of Sino-Bangladesh Bilateral Relation, an Analysis, authored by Tanya Ahmed Uma, Officer on Special Duty, Director of Secondary and Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Bangladesh. We ask the authors to come forward for the release. Ms. Tanya Ahmed Uma.
Tanya is not present. Tanya is not present, but we are releasing her book.
Following this, we will release the book Sovereign Democracy, The Origin, authored by Dr. Kritanjali Saikia, Assistant Professor, Bhipuria College, Assam. We welcome the author to the stage for the book launch. Many congratulations, ma'am.
Please come over.
Preeta Nilesh is also not here. She is joining us from Mumbai, so we are releasing her book.
It's not mine. Okay. Many congratulations.
Say the name of the contributors.
Ma'am, already spoken. The Origin, authored by Dr. Kritanjali. Yes. So now we will release Sovereign Democracy, The Origin, authored by Dr. Kritanjali Saikia, Assistant Professor, Bhipuria College, Assam. We welcome ma'am. She is here. Yes. Congratulations, ma'am.
Just one thing I want to say about this book. This is an authored book. Till now we are releasing edited volumes. This is an authored book. She did her PhD from JNU and this is part of her PhD thesis.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. Ma'am, thank you so much for your Manjunath's book. Okay. Rajay, sir, do you want to pronounce the book's name? Yeah, it would be better.
You can actually do whole Kannada narrating. I will tell Kannada book.
India's Contribution to Global Governance by Manjunath J.
I will tell you.
Sure. So, yes, congratulations. Yes. There's one more book here. So, you can announce and we'll get it. Done?
This is Manjunath from Karnataka. I'm a research scholar and teaching assistant. I wrote another book. That book name is Karnataka State Government and Empowerment of Tribal Subplan or Scheduled Tribes.
मैम आपकी बुक करते होंगे? हाँ, हमारा है ऑनलाइन। उसको अनम्यूट नहीं है? प्रीता निलेश हो गया। प्रीति चहल। प्रीति का तो हो गया। प्रीति चहल मैजिस्ट्रेट आपका करेगा हो गया। प्रीता निलेश हुआ। प्रीति चहल एक और है।
आप मत करो। नहीं और उन्होंने स्पेशली बोला है उसको करना। प्रीति चहल का कर।
कौन सा है इसमें से? मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है। आप मुझे मिल रहा है।
ये है ना 6 नंबर।
Next book, The Human Security Paradigm, Challenges and Opportunities. Editors, Dr. Preeti Chahal, Associate Professor, Department of Political Science, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee College, University of Delhi. Dr. Meenakshi Mavi, Department of Political Science, Ramjas College, University of Delhi, and Dr. Megha Kumari, Assistant Professor, Sahibganj College, Sahibganj, Jharkhand. Is ma'am here? Human security paradigm. So since ma'am is not here, we'll again call Mr. Imran Ahmed Khan, doctoral research scholar, for the launch of his book Security and Global Governance. Please, thank you so much. Nandini ma'am, please come.
So I just wanted to say that he could not come last year, so that's why we wanted to give this to him in person. So please clap for him. He has come all the way from Kashmir.
So, of course, the last and one of the most important books, Human Security in a Polarized World. Editors are Professor Dr. Aurora Martin, Professor Honoris Causa V, Rousseau University, Yerevan, Lector at Romanian Language Institute, and Dr. Nandini Bashisht, Executive Director, IIHSG, New Delhi. So, Aurora ma'am will be joining us online. Yes. So, please.
वो एक फोटो चाहती है
मैम थोड़ा साइड में आ जाओ so that she can be seen. आप इधर इस तरफ आ जाओ.
Many congratulations. And ma'am would also like to speak. Aurora ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes ma'am. Please say a few words.
Yes, first of all, I would like to congratulate Ms. Professor Dr. Nandini Bashisht for her dedication, for her commitment, and because every year she comes with new enthusiasm to propose new issues and to coagulate so many people from so many countries, from so many fields under the cupola of human security. This book is a collection of different articles regarding human security in a polarized world. In 2024, the human security is under threat. By 2030, only 15% of the Sustainable Development Goals are expected to be accomplished. The most severe form of poverty affects hundreds of millions of people. Millions have been displaced by conflicts, and 6 of 9 critical planetary boundaries are still being crossed. The current concern is the state of global freedom. The current trends in democratic governance and human rights are equally concerning, and the state of global freedom has been declining for almost 20 years. Thus, in international and regional cooperation platforms, the idea of multipolar world order and the goal of creating a more equal system acquire more traction. The term polarization describes the widening gaps in national economies, sociocultural views, and political beliefs. Ideologically, differences in politics can be a sign of it, resulting in impasse and a decline in confidence in democratic institutions. In terms of the economy, globalization exacerbates disparities between rich and poor regions, while polarization exacerbates wealth gap and opportunity disparities. Social polarization breeds mistrust and intolerance, leading to identity-based disputes and further sparking society. The articles collected under this title, Human Security in a Polarized World, touch different aspects of this disparity. So I encourage you to read the book to support the students, the scholars who brought their research, their commitment to this issue, and to continue to search the articles of our experts invited to write in this book and to talk in this conference. Congratulations for the organization, and all the best for all of you. Thank you.
Contributors, please come on stage. Aladdin Odamo, please come on stage. And Professor Shiladitya Chakraborty, Ashwini Kumar, if you please come on stage, we have a group photo with contributors of this book. Dr. Aparajita, Harshita Singh, Divyata Shriya Pal, Namrata Kothari, Dr. Namrata Kothari, Manas Ranjan Behera, Ishita Dash, Kamalika Banerjee, Dr. Saraj Gupta, Fauzia Akhtar, Farhad Ahmed, Dr. Samindra Mohan Biswas, Dr. Rajkumari Meena, Bijetri Pathak, Professor Shiladitya Chakraborty, Dr. Satabdi Das, Harshita Sharma, Kirutiga MP, Tashi Lamo, Dr. Virendra Kumar Gandhi, Reshma Gupta. Odamo and Aladdin, please come on stage.
Yeah, Harshita Singh, Harshita Sharma, yes, Divyata, Aparajita ma'am, again. Yes. Anybody else? Professor Anna, Professor Shiladitya sir, is he there?
Yes, I am.
Okay, आइए sir.
Ma'am, all our contributors here.
Can it hear us? Ma'am, you have to speak on the mic.
Ma'am, you can see all the contributors here.
Please come with the. You want to go? दिखाई दे रहा है? वो भी